think this rig is still good. Let's see. That hook is not good. All right, so something a lot of people don't know or do is you can get a hook file, or a file really, any kind of file for metal. Let me fix this hair here, but if you look closely, try to get that in view, you can kind of see the hook point is bent. So with the hook file, we can run that across a few times. Sharpen that tip up. Boom, you've got a perfectly sharp hook after you do that. So with that said, if you're fishing with good hooks, you don't want to spend a ton of money, get a file so you can sharpen your hook. So all right, see, so we got 2 out there, and then we got to redo 2 entire freaking rigs. All right, let's get that off. Pick that up in a second. Okay, so I want to show you how to do these rigs. So take your main line. If you've got the bobber stops, they'll come like in a little, I guess, pack or sleeve, whatever you're gonna call it. Run your main line through the bobber stop, the little metal piece holder, and then you just grab it, pull it down, pull it out, and boom, you've got a bobber stop on your main line. Okay. So with that said, I need to finish running this up the actual rod here, because we broke off, so we don't have anything on the main. Okay, so we're gonna run this up. Let's see. Put that in. Boom, there it is. Oof, there's some jumping behind me. Okay. Run this through 2 more eyelets, and then we're going to put a feeder on. Well, if I can get a hold of the thing. All right, we'll shoot. One thing I struggle with is just not eyesight, but I've got arthritis, so like sometimes holding on to the lines or holding on to rods it's painful. My knuckles start hurting, so it's not always a pleasant experience doing all this. Okay, all right, so we got our bobber stop and our feeder. Now let's go ahead and put the other bobber stop on. Let's get to the end of the line. Let's grab our bait stops, bobber stops, bait stops, whatever you're gonna call them. Boom. Pull that down, pull the bobber stop down. All right, now we've got if you look at the rig, bobber stop, feeder, bobber stop. So that thing is pegged right where we put it with the stops. So we're good to go. Again, I like to pre-tie a lot of my rigs. And with that, got a pre-tied rig right here. It's probably a 2.5 inch leader with a swivel, so pretty short. And we're gonna go ahead and put a Palomar knot on that and throw some bait out there. This is the one I'm putting out there in the deeper channel. Couple reasons. One, it's a braid, so castability. All right, there's a Palomar knot. Let's cut our tag end off. Okay. All right. So the finished product is, slide this down. That's your finished product. It's literally that simple. There's the hook in front of my hand. A swivel, bobber stop, feeder, bobber stop. That way that pins it right here, protects the knot with that bobber stop. So let's go ahead and put a, I think I'm gonna use a tiger nut. Let me get the tiger nuts out. I'm gonna use the spicy ones today. So let's see, these are soaked in like Frank's buffalo sauce or something. So spicy tiger nut. That hook is sharp, sharp, sharp. Keeps pricking my finger. Thing about, you know, just normal braid for your leaders is sometimes braid sticks together, so getting your hair rig finished up can be a little bit of a pain. So bait needle, tiger nut, needle down to the hair rig. You slide it down, boom, it's on the hair. It's that simple. Then you can grab a bobber stop. Typically it's just a piece of plastic and put it through the hair. Pull that bait up to the stop. You can see there's a little red piece of plastic right there. That's the bait stop. That keeps it from flying off. So, all right, now we've got our rig ready to go. Let's bait it up and throw it out there. All right. We got a really good mixture here today. That pack bait looks perfect. Oats, sweet feed, corn, and sugar. All right, so I was trying something new today. I found these feeders. Found these feeders online, and they're basically multi-hook feeders. So we got us a little tiny gill here. I mean, dang, it fits in the palm of my hand. But at any rate, I'm gonna rig that back up and throw it back out there. But he was swimming away with our bait. Come on, baby. Is this it? Is that it? Come on. Come on. A little bit of tension. There's rocks out there. That's all I feel and hear is rocks. Got us hung up. Dang it. If there's a fish on this, I'm gonna be surprised. That's gotta be a turtle. There ain't no way. It's a carp. Gotta be a turtle, but he's not swimming toward the bank, which is weird. I ain't letting you go through there. I'd rather lose you than whatever you are. Come on. Dang, that is a fish. What in the world? Dang, it is a carp. I ain't never in my life. No way. Dang. Got him, but dang, what in the world is going on? That is the craziest. Let's get some water on there. There we go, okay. Dang, that's a good carp. He just didn't have a lot of fight in him. He had the initial hit, and then he was kind of done. Like, I mean, dang. Make sure that's on okay. All right. Well, let's get you out of here, buddy. Oh, yeah, you nope. Chill out. Dang, you just feisty. Quit it, quit. Quit. You're okay. You're just hooked right here in the lip. But you want to go on and act all crazy. Come on, man. I'm trying to get you out of here. Alright, there's that. Okay. I'm going to get you back in there because I didn't even know you was hooked. Oh, you're bleeding, but nope. I'm going to get you back in there quick. I'm going to get him back in there quick because he's got a little blood, but he was hooked fine, but big old fish, but give it a kiss. All right.